Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable two-factor authentication on Fortnite. Open Epic Launcher. Click your username. Click Manage Account. Click Password and Security. Click Disable Email Authentication. Click Proceed to continue. Two-factor authentication is successfully disabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.